Hey everyone, and if you're getting a download failed error in Tinfoil, that usually stops installs completely, and it can be pretty frustrating. The good news is this problem is almost always caused by a few common settings. So, in this step-by-step guide, I'll show you the easiest fixes that actually work in 2026. All right, first, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or interrupted connection is the most common reason downloads fail midway. Open internet settings and confirm your switch is connected properly. Next, fully close Tinfoil and reopen it before retrying the download. Don't just leave the app running in the background. Actually, close the software from the home menu so it reconnects cleanly. Now check your SD card storage. If there isn't enough free space, downloads will instantly fail even if everything else looks fine. Make sure you have enough room for the full game and temporary files. Go back into Tinfoil, open the Options or File Browser menu, and use the Refresh or Reload option. This clears cached download data and fixes broken install queues. If downloads still fail, your source link might be inactive. Open the sources list and remove any broken entries, then add an updated source again so downloads can connect properly. Incorrect system time can also cause download errors. Go into System Settings, open Date and Time, and enable automatic synchronization through the internet. If you're running an older version of Tinfoil, downloads may fail completely. Download the latest version, replace the files on your SD card, and relaunch the app before trying again. Now return to your game, start the download again, and give it a moment to connect. The download should now begin normally without the error. And that's it. A complete step-by-step fix for the Tinfoil download failed error. If this helped you out, consider liking the video and checking the channel for more quick fix guides. Thanks for watching.